Welcome to another quick tutorial on how to use virtual lead retrieval and analytics. As a great premium service, you have access to amazing live and historical data about who has interacted with your company's virtual booth. If you're interested in gaining access to your lead retrieval data, including live analytical feed information, please reach out to the AGS Virtual Event Services team at 407-292-6162. If you already have signed up for this great feature, you can access it in the same location you used to edit your booth. Simply click on the circular profile icon located in the top right of the navigation. Within the pop-out menu, you will click the Edit button to the right of your company's name. This will take you directly to your company's virtual booth profile. On the left side navigation menu, you will find the Analytics tab. Here, you'll have access to all your live booth and historical data that the platform has captured regarding attendee user interaction. The topmost frame, highlighted in green, shows the number of active users on your page at any given moment. Whereas the Summary of Information carousel below this frame gives you a quick snapshot of the success of your interactions. This provides a summary of profile views, downloads, chats, scheduled meetings, your lounge meetings, call to action clicks, product views, video views, and business cards. The key feature of your lead retrieval and analytics can be found within the Engagement User section. In this section, you will see specific users that have visited and interacted with your virtual booth. See their designation, how much engagement they've had with your elements on the page, as well as a lead status of cold, warm, and hot. You can also click a person's profile and see their extended details. Within this same window, you may click the Engagement tab to see what elements they've interacted with, on what day, and when. You may also actively update the status of a lead at the top right corner of the profile window, as well as take notes. Of course, all of this data is yours to explore in the form of an export. Here, at the top right of the Engaged Users section is the Export feature. This will provide you a comprehensive Excel spreadsheet of all your lead and analytics information. We certainly encourage you to actively engage with your analytics live during the event. It can be a great way to instantly turn a visitor into a prospective client. Again, if you have any questions or want to set up your lead retrieval and analytics service for your company, please reach out to our Virtual Event Services team at 407-292-6162.